Hello, people. I wanted to discuss real quick the RXM by Ruger and Magpul. For all you guys that love Glock's reliability, Ruger has made a firearm that is a Glock clone, but is better than Glock. It takes Glock mags. It comes with two Magpul mags right here, but it's got better sights. It's got the tritium sights, and it's got a better trigger, and it has a ready mountain plate for optics, and it's a couple $100 cheaper than a Glock. Where I live, I got this for after taxes right at about $501. So this thing is an absolute workhorse, and I like it better than the Glock 19, which is what it's a clone of. Is an absolute beast. There it is.